Jesus. Delroy. What? Well, let me tell you something, sir. You know, so me got the court already, you know, sir. I may take out a restraining order upon your ass. Alright? And you keep on calling me. Oh, what you want from me? You want to turn me an idiot? Me no want you. How much time me to tell you? How much time me to tell you, sir? Me no want you. Why you bother me for this morning? Lord Jesus, me can't even get a little rest. Me can't even get a little rest. No, man, you take this thing lightly. You take it lightly. Listen, left me alone, Delroy. Please, me, I beg you, Papa, do. Left me alone. You bother me every minute. Me no need me yard cutting. Me no need nothing from you. Nothing. You understand? Left me alone. All right now. Left me alone, Delroy. It is the last one, me I tell you. Yes. All right. It look like me have to turn up at your yard. It look like me have to turn up at your yard and carry on a weird Delroy for you if you understand the fullness of everything. Stop stalking me. Use a filling the whole complete sentence. You understand? Yeah. And me as well said a L. But me now go there with you. Me now go there with you. Right. Yes, hello? Hi, Hilary, how you doing? Yeah, me tired, man. Me just wake up. Me on my way to Royal School, you know, to pick him up. Yeah, me so tired. God only know. I may have this Delroy man bother me. Anywhere me go, this man bother me. If me go a bathroom, Delroy is there. If me in a work, Delroy is there. If me out in the garden, Delroy is there. When me done take out every restraining order upon him, you know, Hilary, and the man now listen to what me have to say, you know, Hilary, me can't take no more, you know. Yeah! I'm coming like a fatal attraction to rotted. No, Hilary, me can't take it. Anyway, me a drive, Hilary, me have to go. Me talk to you later, Hilary, me frustrated. Me frustrated. The man coming like napkin pad underneath me Ross, man. Yeah. Alright then. Later. Yeah, another car coming in, Hilary. Another call coming in. Me tired, me can't get me words out straight. Alright. Bye. Hello? Delroy! Delroy! Me drive the car! Me drive the car, Rasta! Me drive the car! Left me alone, man! What wrong with you? You're haunted! You're haunted! What? You know what? Me go down to the police station. Me going to the police station now. Yeah. Me don't care about the restraint. Me want you to lock up your backside because you not left me alone. Huh? Oh, you like me? Delroy, me don't want you. How much time if you tell yourself me don't want you? Yeah, listen. Delroy, what you feel concentrate upon is to put teeth in your mouth. Put teeth in your mouth so you can name your food and that's what you worry about. Don't worry about me. You're ugly like tattoo. Eh? The monkeys them stand a better chance than you. Yes. The monkeys them stand a better chance than you. Left me don't want no man. How much time if you tell you? Delroy. Delroy. Stiff hard. Please. Go find something to do. Right, I left me alone. Me I drive, me don't want to crash me car. Please, for God's sake, Selassie, leave me alone, Delroy, leave me alone. Right, stop stalking me. Stop stalking me, Delroy, stop stalking me. Hey, may I tell you, you know, you're gonna know what God yourself when me finish with you now. Yes. Come off of my phone, Delroy. Come off of my phone. Hey. Lord God, Delroy. No, listen, I pick up my son from school. What you want from me life? Eh? What you want from me life? I'm not interested, Delroy. I'm not interested. Anymore, me tell you, say me not want you and cuss out your back foot. It look like you love it. Me take my son to school now. Eh? You maybe say me can't even pick up my son from school in peace, Delroy? You know, you're a madman. Me a go call the police to make them be call you. Yes. And that me a go do. Because you're not listen to a word when me I say. You're not listen. Me tired. Me not even wipe the matter out of my eye this evening. Yeah. And you keep on blowing up the phone, blowing up the phone, blowing up the phone. Like you're haunted, you don't have nothing to do. Go haunt your wife, man. Go stalk your wife and stalk me. I mean, I want to. I want to. How much time you to tell you that? Me I pick up my son from school. You know what? Me I come to the police at your yard. Me I go find me your live. Today. Yes. Sheriff car there. Me I go over there. Me I go speak to the sheriff. But this is a waste man, Delroy. Me I go over there now. Me done with it. Trust me. Me I take care of this today. Yes, Delroy. As me said, go take your way yourself and find somewhere to go today. You understand? And leave me alone. Make me live my life in peace. Me I beg you, Papa, please. Me no want to lose the plot today. Me no want to lose the plot. You hear me? Yeah. Else me to go get some bread in a sister to come to the yard. Yes, come in it. Yes, me will make sure them lock up your backside. Me not wait for no court, paper, case number, no nothing. Me handle myself. Yes. You understand? And the last time you ever call me, yeah? Alright. Last morning. Hello? Yeah. Lord Jesus. Why keep your mouth quiet? Yeah. Who this? Listen, Delroy. Media publics, no bother me now. Please, me I beg you, the pooper. No bother me. What is the hell wrong with you? Oh my God, no. Something's really wrong with you. You're a madman. You're a madman. Eh? You mean to say we can't do little grocery shopping for my family, for them some food, for give me body little strength? Yeah, blow up my phone. You know what? You need prayer. You need prayer, Lord. You need prayer. You need deliverance, Delroy. You need deliverance. No, something seriously wrong. The devil is a liar. The devil needs to get behind me today. Me I do my shopping and me I go do my shopping in peace. Yes, me I do my shopping in peace. Relax, man. No, man, me have to get in touch with your wife for real. Me have to do something. She have to take you to the psychiatric unit. Yes, because you can't be blowing up a girl phone like this. No, something wrong. You had to take your boy. Me have to go. Delroy, you know what? There's only one solution to this. Put it on block. Yes, me put it on block. Yeah, me not take no more calls from you. So me don't know how the hell you can stop me after that. Well, if you turn up at my house, you know, there is something waiting for you. 1 gallon of acid. Yes, me say a gallon of acid, Delroy. A gallon of acid. Yes, me are going to blow you up. Simple. Me are going to blow you up. You hear me? Yeah. Serious. Yeah, you think you mad, Delroy? I mean, it's the mad one. Mr. is the mad one. Trust me. Yes. Bye. Yes, Delroy. Me a blow up your phone now. Well, guess what, and me a stalk you now. And me a stalk you now. Yes, the police them is on their way to your house. Yes, them run your name, Delroy, stiff hard. Yes, and they bring up your address and your license plate and everything. So now you is the one that's going to be stalked. No, not me. Them a gonna lock up your backside now for all the hell where you put me through now. Yes, my dear child. So that's the end of that story. You can't stalk me no more, Delroy. You can't stop me no more. How you mean? Oh, yes. So have a good day and God bless you. And one thing, Delroy, Don't drop the soap. Don't drop the soap, boy. Don't drop the soap.